Okay, I'm out of school today and I thought it'd be interesting to show you just what I do day to day. So I've got this old Kentec synchro panel here. Customer wants it changed because a couple of things with it. The buzzer has failed on it, so if it gets a fault, nobody knows. Also, the board keeps coming up with intermittent system faults. So, this thing is this panel was made in 2009, so it still works, but I think once a problem starts, then time to go. So it does sit on a network. So I've got the power isolated for it. We're just taking a download from the panel. This is the first thing to do, so we've got everything's up to date and it's on the laptop, so we're not going to lose any information when we re-upload. So before I start removing things, I need to sort of label up what goes where. The easiest way to find I do it, so I'll cut the wires where they're going. So that's my network negative. Network negative. So I've just drawn a little diagram here of some auxiliary equipment that's connected. Not sure what this is. It's probably a separate loop. So they've wired this building for 2 loops, but we're only using 1. So that's what I suspect that is. Take these together. I know that they need to go back together. These are sounder circuits. This panel is using 3 separate conventional sounder circuits. So our new panel only has 2 on boards, so I'll have to use a sounder controller to power the other one. Okay, so you can see the new panel is a lot smaller than the old one, so we're going to have to make some new holes in this backboard. So the panel is now learning what's on this loop. So it's going to find every single device, including this new one we just installed behind the additional sounder circuit. So now we've got the network installed. It's finding what other panels are on the network. So this particular one is only networked to one other panel because it's two separate buildings which are joined together with some sort of annex. So just plug the laptop back into it. Okay, I've just done all the laptop programming. So now we're sending all the configuration back. Okay, I'm all finished up with this now. Just have to do a little bit of rewiring at the top. As one of the sounder circuit I had programmed into that sounder controller was drawing too much current. So we swapped it around for one that had less sounders on it. So now the panel's happy. Bit of the new mains isolator, as the old one wasn't compliant. Done all our tests. So now it's time to tidy up.